Okay, we're putting down bamboo flooring, and I want to show you with my little Dremel tool how to cut the doorways and the door facings so that your flooring will go under it. So I'll show you that. Okay, and there's the tool I'm using, and it's a very handy tool. Hopefully I didn't dull it when I hit metal earlier. So let me set this down and show you what it can do. Zoom in a little bit. Alright. What I'm going to do, there's my bamboo flooring I'm putting down, and I'm going to put it down as a floating floor, so I don't want it to get in a bind, because the floating floor has to be able to move with humidity and all. So I got this little notepad, and I'm going to put like a little thickness under it, so it'll cut this just a little bit higher. And so I'll lay that down there, put this here, because I want the flooring to go under this. And so now we'll cut it. And I should be using both hands, but the camera's in the way. Maybe I can. I may have to put another blade. It should have zipped that right off. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to show you how the blade gets changed. First, unplug it, which is already done.
You got it in the shadows, baby. Take the screw out. Set that straight. Yes, I do believe it is.
Got those little teeth to go in the grooves. I call them teeth. I don't know what they are.
There you go.
And tighten it back up. And it's just an Allen wrench taped to the cord where it don't get lost. Okay, we'll see if it'll go any faster with a new blade. It might just be slower than I remembered. Okay, let's see if I got it all. There we go. We'll have to put some more caulk in there, but there we go. And Then the flooring will go right up under it. And it'll look nice. And it won't be in a bind. See, if it wasn't a floating floor, I could have cut it where it'd be like this. But since it is, I'm leaving that little gap. And one thing, when you're using these, don't shove it in there hard, because you got to let the little vibration do the work. And if you shove it in, it can't do the job good, because I had forgot and I started doing it the other day that way and it wasn't cutting. And I was like, oh, I ain't supposed to apply pressure, I forgot. So anyway, hopefully that's helpful. And these are awesome tools. I'll probably, if I remember, I'm going to show you my little, it's like a, what do you call it? I call them skill saw, but call it something else. And I won't use one. I won't use a full-size one because I almost cut my leg off with one once. So it didn't connect, but it came too close to my thigh when it kicked. So I refused to use them out of fear. And so I got a little Dremel one, and I love it. So stay tuned. Bye, y'all.